together, right? Okay, we're going to sing our favorite duet, Aukerlook Leaker Barnum Steeden.
Oh my goodness.
Which is a story about a man by the river. Here we go. And a 1, 2, 3. Aukerlook Leaker Barnum Steeden. Come on, Mama. Come on, Mama. Let's sing, okay? Let's sing.
Aukerlook
Leaker Barnum Steeden. And ox starts a snorts that for leading. You're not singing with me. You need to sing with me. Remember?
Yeah.
Okay, let's sing. Aukerlook. Wake up, wake up.
Oh, shit. Somebody does.
Yeah, wake up. I'll try one more time. 1, 2, 3. Aukerlook Leaker Barnum Steeden. And ox snorts that for leading. Aukerlook Leaker Barnum Steeden. And ox snorts that Osterbar.
Yeah. That's good, yeah.
Good, but you didn't sing with me this time.
It's hard for her to remember the words, I think. Yeah.